Hello, YouTube land. Need my championship collection box fix. Let's go. If you've watched my other videos, you already know this, but we get a lot of 2022 Series 1 in these. A little bit of 2021, either Stadium Club or Allen and Ginter, and maybe a little 2021 Topps Update. And then, of course, the black boxes of 30 cards, which are everybody's favorite part, because you never know what you're going to get. To quote Forrest Gump. All right, so this one, we got one Allen Ginter, one Stadium Club. We got our regular, right now we got two Stadium Club and the 2021 update. All right, let's get to ripping. Start with our 2021 update. All right, Alec Bohm, rookie debut. Joe Kelly, Casey Mize, rookie debut. Jazz Chisholm, rookie debut. Tyler Nevin, Christian Posh, Frankie Montas, Pat something, Josh Bell. And we got a nice Ke'Bryan Hayes. 1992 Topps throwback. Chrome variation, though. These chrome variations of these 92s, they're so nice and shiny. Ke'Bryan Hayes, he's a good one to get. Hey, look at little 92 throwback Ronald Acuna Jr. We better put that in the sleeve. And a couple more base here. All right, let's get up in the one Allen and Ginter from 2021. Got Garrett Cole. Is that Wander Javier? Christian Javier, what was I thinking? He just pitched against my Twins yesterday, I'm pretty sure. Or was it this afternoon? I don't know. Kenta Maeda. Christian Posh, rookie design variation. Deep Sea Shiver, we got a Lemon Shark. And we got ourselves Garcia, rookie card. Devi Garcia. All right. Nothing overly interesting there. We got a couple of Stadium Club packs here, 2021. These got a low floor, but they got a little bit of a high ceiling too, you know. Autographs to be hit. Refractors, chrome. There's rare inserts. I've hit a couple of those. We got Aaron Nola and Colton Wong. And we got Barry Larkin turned around here, and Eloy Jimenez insert of some sort. Virtual reality, Eloy Jimenez, that's not one of the rare inserts. And Barry Larkin, Rafael Devers. All right. Let's see if we can get a little better pack here. Oh my, why is this thing shaking? All right, Ryan Braun and Andres Jimenez. It's actually a rookie card. He's a decent player. Braxton Garrett, rookie card. And Nelson Lamet, that's red foil. Let's open some 2022 Series 1. We can get a rare insert or color or something. I'm skipping over some base. Pavin Smith, Whit Merrifield, and a welcome to the show, Tony Gwynn, stars of the MLB. Oh. Skip over some base. Got Corey Seager and Ian Happ. Miguel Cabrera, 87 throwback, and stars of the MLB. All right, the jumbo packs. Got a little better chance for some excitement in here. Skip over some base. Got a Joey Votto base. 2021 greatest hits, Jose Altuve. Stars of the MLB. Stars of the MLB. That was kind of lame. Yeah, that was kind of lame for a jumbo pack. Hanger pack, or whatever you want to call them. Struggling to get this one open. There we go. It looks like we got maybe another insert or two more than the last one. Taylor Rogers, and there's a Trout, Chrome, Stars of the MLB, Cal Ripken 87 throwback, and a couple of regular Stars of the MLB. All right, those Chrome ones are nicer, but they're still the Chrome Stars of the MLB. They're nicer, but they're still not worth so much. All right, usually I get at least one card out of all those packs. It's a little more interesting or exciting. But we got our black boxes here. Look at that one's been dented a little bit. What do we got in here? Mysterious black boxes. All right, we got a Trout Heritage insert there. Our Sporting News All-Star. Andrew Haney. These are 2019 Heritage Low Number. Or Heritage Series 1, whatever you want to call it. Cam Bedrosian. Nick Ahmed. Chris Taylor. We're mixing in a little 2018 Top Series 1. John Lester. Andrew McCutcheon. Aaron Nola. Antonio Senzatella. Steven Piscotty. Didi Gregorius. This is still Series 1 of Heritage, or low number. Justin Bohr. We got a couple more 2018 Series 1s. Mitch Moreland and Chris Davis. Salvador Perez, Sporting News All-Star. And still Series 1. Lewis Brinson. We got Dylan Peters, rookie card. Giancarlo Stanton, Max Scherzer, league leaders. Ryan Zimmerman, Nelson Cruz, league leaders. Eric Hosmer, Paul Blackburn, rookie card. We got Jesse Winker, Hunter Renfroe, Derek Rodriguez, and we got a scratch-off insert of Paul Goldschmidt. That's kind of cool. I don't know if those were like a one per blaster type thing in retail or what. Max Scherzer, Tom Seaver then and now, and Kyle Freeland. All right, next black box. Last box magic, let's do it. All right, so Sean Reed Foley. Series 1, Josh Harrelson, Houston Astros. Got a Brandon Lau rookie card. That'll be worth a penny sleeve. Irvin Santana, Jackie Bradley Jr., Javier Baez, Zach Godley, Kraken Jokes, Washington Nationals, Kevin Gausman, Always Sunny. Must be about Sonny Gray, maybe. Who crapped the bed today for my Twins. Lourdes Gurriel Jr., Andrew Miller, Kirby Yates, Kyle Barlacola, Danny Duffy, Manny Margot, Willie Calhoun, Brian McCann, Oakland Athletics, Seattle Mariners. Wait, these are 2019 now. Yeah, it was Series 1. They were, I don't know, yeah. I was thinking 2018 again, but no, obviously these are 2019. Cole Calhoun, David Price, St. Louis Cardinals, Kyle Hendricks, Boston's Boys, Los Angeles Dodgers. There's a nice card. Juan Soto, rookie cup card. Not going to get rich on it, but it's a nice card. All right, Brett Phillips. All right, Well, we got that scratch off thing, and we got Juan Soto rookie cup card, Brandon Lau rookie card, Mike Trout chrome. We got that nice Ke'Bryan Hayes chrome, little Ronald Acuna Jr. action. Yeah, that'll be about it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.